Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm still on my Thanksgiving series, okay? Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make some apple cider. Yes, apple cider. So we're going to be, I already peeled the outer peelings off of apples. I had about, this is the peelings that we're going to make the cider with. This came off the apples. And I had about maybe 3 pounds of apples. So we're going to boil them, boil the peelings. This is all of them. So we're going to boil it on the stove for about an hour. And we're going to be adding some cinnamon sticks to it and some cinnamon. And once we boil it, I'll show you how to strain that and we'll take it from there, okay? Okay, so let's do that first. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. You know, apple cider in the store costs anywhere between $4.99 and up a gallon. So I am making this apple cider absolutely free because I cut the apples out, the peeling, to make apple pie. So you see, it's free. Okay, so let me put the water in there and let that get started, and then we're going to move on, okay? Thank you. Okay, so now the water is in halfway of this pan. Okay, I'm going to show you the size of this pan. Okay. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon sticks. This is 2 ounces. I'm going to add the whole thing. And I'm going to add some ground cinnamon. Okay, that's probably maybe, I'd say, 1/4 of a cup of cinnamon total. Spices is your choice. You can put as little or as much as you like. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn the fire on. And we're going to let that boil for about an hour, okay? Alright, and we'll be back on the apple cider. Great. Okay, our apple cider is ready. Let me let you take a look at that. Now I'm going to pour it off into the strainer here. And once I pour it off into this strainer, then, 1 second. I'm going to pour it off into this strainer, which is a finer strainer. Okay? So that's going to be the part. Okay, we got our hot apple cider. Oh, let me show you the finished product. I'm sorry. 1 second, I'm going to move the camera. See? Okay. Now let me taste for you. There we go. Now, I did not put any sweetener in mine because I have company coming in. Everybody likes their sweet their drinks sweetened in a different way. So they can add whatever kind of sweetening they like, okay? Alright, so for me, I'm not having any in mine. But if others come, they could have honey or sugar substitute, whatever they like, okay? Apple cider for your Thanksgiving meal. There we go. Made with the peelings from the apples that I made apple pie with. How about that? Free. Yes. Yes. That would work. Hot apple cider. Or you can have it cold. Talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.